channel once again. My name is Onyinye Ude. As you can see, we have coconut. Okay, today we are not going to cook with it. We are going to make coconut oil. Yes, today we are going to make coconut oil. I'm going to take you step by steps on how to make it. Let's get started. So I heard that when you do this, it comes off easily. So let's try. We have fresh coconut water. It actually works. Okay, when you hit it with something before breaking, it comes off easily. So after washing, you make it easier for your blender by cutting in cubes, small pieces like this. So now it's time to blend it. I'm going to blend it. Add batch by batch, okay? We are using hot water that you can easily handle, okay? Don't use cold water when you are making coconut milk. Blend. So we're going to get the milk, okay? I'm using a chiffon cloth, okay? You have to repeat this. Okay, I'm going to blend this more. Blend it properly. So I'm doing the last batch. Okay, we are straining it, getting the milk. Okay. I'm going to transfer it here. So I'm going to put it in the fridge, not freezer, fridge, until the next day. This is the coconut oil. It has settled just like a fat, okay? When you have broth, meat broth, and the fat settles after putting it in the fridge. So look at it. Look at the oil. We are going to take it out. Then we start cooking. Okay. Actually, I made more than this, but the other one, the freezer was so active. It was so active and it didn't settle. Okay. I'm still trying. So this is okay. So this is the oil. We are going to cook it down to get the real oil without water. Coconut water, you can still use it for other things. Cook with it. Okay, let's start cooking. So look at the oil that we got from the coconut milk. Okay, we are making coconut oil. Okay, look at the one we got. As I said before, I made more than this, so I put them in a separate containers. The one in a plastic container separated the way I wanted, but the other one in a bowl, glass bowl, and that one I put it in another fridge, which is more active. It froze instead of separating. It froze, and it did not separate like the other one. So we are going to be using this one. Okay. You are going to cook this on a low heat, okay, until the oil starts separating. At this point, the oil is ready, as you can see. Don't allow it to get burnt, okay? So this is, you can see that the oil has separated, okay? This is our coconut oil, and this is how to make coconut oil. Use it to cook your coconut rice, okay? Use it for any coconut recipe. Look at the oil, okay? So we are going to strain it, okay? So today we made coconut oil, and look at the pure oil that we got. So look at our pure coconut oil. That is so beautiful. Okay, look at the oil that we got. We've come to the end of this video. Use it to cook your coconut rice. Look at it. That's beautiful. Okay, I want you to share the video, comment, okay? Ask me any question, and I'll be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye. God bless.